This grinder is by far one of our most pre-ordered items ever, and it's no mystery why. My name is Dina, and I'm here at 8 Ounce talking about the DF54 grinder. The DF54 grinder is an all-purpose entry-level grinder that was designed to be the most high-quality grinder in its price range. So this grinder was designed with 54mm flat burrs, and it's designed for consistent size particle distribution. Something unique about this grinder is its plasma generator or ionizer, which decreases its static. Another great feature of this grinder is that it minimizes retention, which allows a cleaner cup, and it also helps in creating a more efficient grinding process. It also has an anti-popcorn cover. Looking at the grinder itself, it takes up very minimum space on your countertop, which is great for small kitchens or anywhere you want to put it. It also has really premium accents. I love that this top is kind of like a wood accent. The one thing I personally would like to change is the plastic dosing cup. I prefer metal, which is completely fine. We have a metal dosing cup up on our website that you can just purchase separately. Other than being extremely stable, it's also extremely popular right now. We believe that with this price point, this is one of the best grinders that you can get. It will really grow with you on your coffee journey. You'll understand more about how to use some of its features. It also does espresso to filter, so you don't have to go and buy a new grinder when you want to try out espresso or when you want to try out something different. This is a great grinder, and it will last you such a long time until you're ready to upgrade or find another grinder. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment what else you would like us to review. You can find more videos on our Instagram account at 8 Ounce Coffee, or you can go on our website and see what new products we have, because we're always bringing in the coolest products that are in the coffee community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.